Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having a great day today. It's your boy Swaylex doing another video reaction. This reaction gonna be Karila Floods the complete picture. If you're new to the channel, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family. So without further ado, let's get with this reaction, guys. Karila Floods the complete picture, guys. Here we go. Oh, Karila. Guys, I'm trying, okay? Don't talk about me. Oh no, August 2018. August is my birthday. Oh my goodness. Man, something I just thought of, man. This happened in August 2018. Okay, so not only you guys dealt with the floods, you guys have to deal with the coronavirus right after that. So I know y'all had a crappy year. I am so sorry for you guys for that, you know, for all of this happening to y'all. That's crazy. That's ridiculous, man. That's so sad. That's somebody home. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't even talk. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Look at these planes. Y'all see these planes? The water's like almost on the belly of the plane.
ഒരു കൊച്ചു കുട്ടിക്ക് പാല് പോലും ഇല്ല. ഞങ്ങളോട് വളരെ കഷ്ടത്തിലാണ്. എങ്ങനെയെങ്കിലും ഞങ്ങളെ ഒന്ന് ഇരുന്ന് രക്ഷിക്കൂ സാർമാരെ.
എന്റെ മോളും എന്റെ ഫാമിലിയെല്ലാം വെള്ളത്തിനകത്ത് കുടുങ്ങിക്കിടക്കുവാണ്. അവരിപ്പോ ടെറസിന്റെ മണ്ടയ്ക്കാണ്. അവിടെയാണെങ്കിൽ ആരും രക്ഷാപ്രവർത്തനത്തിനൊന്നും വരുന്നില്ല. ഒരു വയസ്സും
It was 1 gram. That's my birthday, August 18th. my gosh. People die from this. This is just too much information to absorb right now. What hit me is you got 400 deaths, then 11,000 homes destroyed. Guys, that's somebody hard earned working money right there. Destroyed, guys. That is very heartbreaking and sad. Not only on top of that, you have people that have families with no home. I can only imagine, guys. Just imagine. I know that I'm doing good, you're doing good, but just imagine if that was you and your brothers and sisters was in this, and you don't have a room, you don't have a home to go to anymore. Your parents spent their last cent on their house to get paid for, and you don't have nowhere to go. You're homeless. That's so sad, guys. If you just take the time to just sit back and just put yourself in that situation, you can really see how blessed you are, you know? You shall overcome. Wow, I had no clue you guys went through this. I hope everything is okay with you guys. I hope that the food, the money, I hope y'all population, I hope everything is in good working condition right now, guys. Like I said, I'm so sorry you guys suffered from this. I'm sure the people watching this video, I'm sure y'all know people or got family members that was affected by this, and like I said, I'm sorry y'all had to go through this. So, well, y'all have a great day. More reactions coming soon. That is ridiculous, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, was this the worst flood ever? Let me know. I need to learn. So peace, guys, and thanks for watching.